This is Brewer, the coolest way to brew your coffee.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Giulia.
And I am Diego.
We are part of Essence, an Italian startup that has been operating in the cafe industry for 4 years now.
The idea for this project was born because of our passion for coffee, and so we're excited to introduce Brewer, a cold drip coffee system that is the result of hard work and dedication to this drink.
With sheer simplicity and flexibility, Brewer makes cold brewing an experience that is accessible to anyone, with particular attention to design and sustainability. Most probably, you have already heard about cold brew and even tasted this delicious drink. Unlike traditional hot brewed coffee, cold brew uses cold water for the extraction. With Brewer, you'll get a less acidic coffee that has an amazingly smooth flavor. The secret behind this delicate and balanced taste is our microfiltration membrane system combined with cold water. Water at lower temperatures doesn't extract the oily compounds that cause the bitterness we usually find while drinking our coffee. This membrane system ensures an optimal extraction by spreading water uniformly and catching all the impurities, thus granting an unparalleled clarity of flavors in a perfectly clean cup. Who said that making delicious cold brew while being conscious of the environment was not possible? Our system is easy to use and sustainable. It utilizes reusable and durable membranes, so you won't need any paper filters or disposable items. Brewer was designed and will be made in Italy, a product with an elegant and minimalist style that gracefully stands on every counter. It is crafted using only the finest materials: borosilicate glass for the carafe, Triton, which is a BPA-free polymer for the plastic components, stainless steel and handcrafted wood for the base. Brewer is also an exceptional tool that leaves room for you to unleash your creativity to the fullest. The coffee you get with it is very versatile. It can be enjoyed as it is or on the rocks. You can have a hot cup as well by adding hot water while preserving the benefits of cold brew. Plus, you can experiment with different types of milk or even with creative cocktail recipes. If you're into mixology, Brewer will be a great addition to your collection.
After many product iterations, we have our final design and we're ready for production. Having a strong network and solid partners, we are eager to bring out and share this gadget with coffee lovers in every corner of the world.
But now, we need your help to bring this project to life. Support us by sharing this campaign with your friends and family. Go along with Kunas. Back us today.
Brewer, the coolest way to brew your coffee.